What is up, guys? Say what's up. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to, well, here's my co-host today, guys. This is Ambriella. Say hi. Ambriella. Anyway, as you guys can see, I am not dressed all that cute because what we're doing today is pretty much a mess. So I refuse to get pretty. No. Here, hold this. No, I thought you wanted to make some slime. No. Well, anyway, we're making slime today. So I was looking at a few recipes, trying to go with what I have in my pantry, and pretty much what I came up with is, well, what I found. Oh, be careful. You okay? What I pretty much found was hand soap and salt. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna add probably some glitter. Hopefully it doesn't change the consistency, because the person used food coloring, but we don't have food coloring, so we're gonna have to make what we've got, or make do with what we have. All right, are you ready? Say ready. Woo! Say woo! Okay, so that's it. Wait, where you going? My co-host is leaving me. Bye. Okay, so let me sit back down. We have our glass bowl. We'll probably use the bigger one, right? Should we use the bigger one?
No.
But you can't hold it. You gotta hold the soap. You gotta pour it. You ready to open it? They didn't really give any type of instructions on how much stuff to add besides the spinach. You smell? I mean spinach. The salt. You smell it? They really didn't give any instructions. They said just do it pinch by pinch, because if you do too much, it would make the soap too watery. What? You smell good? It smells like lime. Okay, so we're gonna pour it. You wanna pour it? Let mommy help you. You hold this. Okay, you ready? Yo, don't put your mouth in there. You gotta help it. Pour it. Got it? Okay, so we just want to. I'm not gonna pour too much. Wait, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, close it for me. Wash your hands, there's soap. Woo! Give me a 5. Yeah, girlfriend, you are such a big help. So you see the soap? Wait, don't touch it yet, don't touch it yet. See, this is why I got napkins on standby. I know my child. Okay, I should get some water. You wanna hold the napkin? Hold that for mommy. You wanna hold this one too? Okay, so next they said and pinch by pinch. So what are you doing? Oh, it's napkin woman. Bum bum bum. What? No, don't put that in there. Okay, be still now. Wait, it's blocking you too. Okay, could you be still? Can I trust you to be still? I don't trust you. Let me just pour it in here. Not gonna add a lot. Okay, Nona's gonna kill us for using all her ingredients. So we add in a pinch of salt. I'm gonna do this part, okay? Say salt. Sorry guys, I just ate some cream cheese when I shouldn't have. Okay, we're gonna stir it. You wanna stir it for mommy? Okay, you gotta follow mommy hand movements. I hope this works, because if this be an epic fail, y'all, I know, right? It would not be funny. Let's see. All they said was do this. So hopefully, you know, I have so many ingredients up here. I got baking soda, hand sanitizer, water. I got so much. Ready to start? Because it was like I was watching so many different videos, and they're all testing it and all this stuff, and it's like no one really, like some people actually made slime, but some people didn't make slime. I don't know. What do you think, Toot? Let's put it up to the camera. Come on, see? Stay right here. Don't move. Let's see. Does that look like slime to you guys? It just looks like soap. But I feel like it's getting a little thicker. What do you say, teammate? Do you feel like it's getting thicker? You touching it? What does it feel like? No, don't eat it though. Yeah, let's wash your hands when you touch it, okay? Say, oh! weird. You wanna clean your hands for mommy? Let's add some more salt. We adding salt. You wanna try? You wanna pinch some salt? Pinch a little bit of salt, not a lot. Boing. It's stuck to your finger. I don't know. Oh, I think we get it somewhere. Oh wait, this glass seems like it's making so much noise. Yeah, I didn't want to make a lot because I wasn't sure how. Ah! Don't eat it. Curiosity killed the cat, Tootie. You're gonna have to wash your hands. You wanna add the glitter in there for mommy? We got 2 different glitter colors. I feel like we're getting somewhere, guys. Oh, y'all saw that? Tootie, I think we're actually making slime right now. I'm like really excited. I'm more excited than she is. Could you? What are you eating? Did you lick some of this stuff up? Okay, I think we're gonna stop right there because I actually think this is perfect. Tootie, what do you think? You wanna touch it now? Wanna touch it for mommy? Touch it. Touch it. Let me see. It's a little sticky still. I think we need another napkin. Ew, wait! Did you put your hand in your mouth? You wanna stir it for mommy? Be still now, girl. Tell everybody what you're doing. Tell it to the camera. Tell it. What? This girl is a funny character. We're gonna add some more salt in and then. You are such a good co-host. Like, I feel like you're taking over the camera. You so silly. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more salt. Right. Tell them, girlfriend. Okay. You think we're good? I think we're good. You want to add glitter? I hope when we add glitter, it does not ruin anything. I'm so scared to. Can I see? Let mommy see. Let mommy see. You did enough stirring. It's good. Let it sit. You gotta let it sit. Can mommy have the spoon? Don't you want to add glitter? Let me see. I think it's good. Want to add glitter now? Okay. We're about to add our glitter. Which glitter you want to use? What? Which glitter?
What are you doing?
Okay, you ready? You gotta pick your color glitter you want. Pick it. Which one? You got purple and pink, and then pink, yellow, and orange.
No.
Could you show it to the camera so they can see which color? Tootie, you gotta share. Okay, which color you want? Pick it. Which color? You gotta. Okay, we're gonna do it with the purple one. We gotta open it. The camera's about to die, Tootie. I know, isn't that so sad? I don't know how you open it. Hold on. 1 second. Need utensils. All right. So we got our purple color, Tootie. You gotta pour it in there. Ready? You do it. Say shake. Only a little bit came out. Gotta do some more. You have to do it. It's right here. See? And then you shake it. You do it. You gotta shake it really hard. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Can we just take the whole lid off too? What do you say? You wanna stir it? That's all she wanna do is just stir. Yeah, you got some glitter. Okay, I almost got it open.
The little artist is at work.
Sir, you interfere in our video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go. Now stir. Say, oh my goodness. It's a glitter overload, Tootie. You gotta touch it. Touch it. No, touch the inside. You want to stir? I'm sorry. There you go, co-host. Stir it up. See the dance? Okay, let's pick it up. Tootie, I don't know. I think we changed the consistency of it. You gotta touch it. Do you think we made slime? I don't know if this is a fail. I'm gonna put some on you. What is this? I don't know, Tootie. What do you think? You just want to keep stirring? You give up? This became the jelly show now. Can you show the camera your slime? Yes. Yes. Break down. Hold on. You gotta show the people, Tootie. Show your slime. She's going crazy. Here, let's show it. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Hold this. Now show everyone. Tilt it forward. Look. Say, look, everyone. You see it on the camera? Look. Oh, wow. Don't put your mouth on it. Ow! You're gross. Okay, well, there you guys have it. I think we made slime. At first it looked like it, but I think when we add our glitter in it, it changed everything. Do you have anything else left to say? Can you tell everyone bye-bye?